Do you know what you eat can harm your liver? A startling question to begin with, but an important one to consider. The liver, that tireless, multifunctional organ in our bodies, is often neglected when it comes to the food choices we make. Today, we'll delve into the 10 types of food that cause the most damage to this vital organ. First on the list is alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is the most common cause of liver damage. It leads to a condition called alcoholic liver disease, which can cause cirrhosis, a late stage of scarring of the liver. Secondly, we have fried and fast foods. These are typically high in unhealthy fats and cholesterol, which can lead to fatty liver disease. This condition occurs when too much fat builds up in liver cells, impairing the organ's ability to function properly. Next, we turn to sugary drinks and snacks. These foods can cause the liver to store excess glucose as fat, leading to unwanted weight gain and fatty liver disease. Fourth on our list is white bread, pasta and rice. These refined carbohydrates can cause sudden spikes in blood sugar, causing the liver to work overtime to manage the excess glucose. Next up, we have processed meats. High in nitrates and sodium, regular consumption of these meats can lead to inflammation and damage to the liver. Moving on to the sixth food, we come across canned fruits and vegetables. These are often high in sodium and sugars, which can put a strain on the liver. Seventh, we have undercooked or raw shellfish. This can contain harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause liver infections. Coming in at number 8 is salty snacks. High sodium intake can lead to water retention and increased workload on the liver. Next, we find butter and cheese. These dairy products are high in saturated fats, which can lead to inflammation and damage to the liver cells. And finally, we have artificial sweeteners. These can cause the liver to store fat, leading to fatty liver disease. So to summarize, the 10 foods that can potentially harm your liver are alcohol, fried and fast foods, sugary drinks and snacks, white bread, pasta, rice, processed meats, canned fruits and vegetables, undercooked or raw shellfish, salty snacks, butter, cheese, and artificial sweeteners. Each of these foods, when consumed excessively, can lead to a variety of liver conditions, including fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and liver infections. It's important to remember that everything we eat and drink passes through the liver, so it's crucial to make thoughtful, healthy choices that support its function rather than hinder it. In the end, balanced and mindful eating is key. Your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy. It's only fair that we return the favor